What's in the box, man?
Vitamin R, dude.
What's in the box?
This is my deck system, and this is what's in my drawers. Start with the poop shovel. Don't want to be no surface brony out there. Got your deck straps, strap down all them toys. Your hatchet, got some waders, fishing box, half a fly shop's worth of flies, bunch of reels, bear mace, lines, knives, headlamp. Got your skate box, tools, wheels, some soft wheels, some trucks, anything you need if your board breaks down out there, IFAC, anything you need in case your body breaks down, and most importantly, some of that vitamin R. That's what's in my drawers, and a little bit of beer.